Hello and welcome to another video where we will discover a lucrative strategy this 2023, earning $900 an hour with very minimal effort. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Have you ever struggled to come up with deciding your niche in the world of blogging? Perhaps you've invested hours brainstorming and researching topics only to create a single post. I know how the constant need for fresh and engaging ideas can be incredibly daunting and draining for content creators. But fear not. I'm here to guide you in exploring your interests and finding your true blogging passion with the help of this AI tool that could simplify the process, saving you valuable time and energy. Introducing GoCharlie, the revolutionary AI-powered writing assistant that streamlines the process of generating articles and blog posts for any online business. With just a few clicks, GoCharlie handles all the heavy lifting, sparing you the need to be an expert in the topic. Simply provide a few keywords and GoCharlie taps into its vast database to create well-researched and insightful content. Personally, I find GoCharlie to be a game-changer in content creation. Its user-friendly interface saves me valuable time, and the resulting content is exceptional and always on point. The AI's sophisticated algorithms analyze online businesses, ensuring informative and engaging articles that captivate readers. What's more, you can easily customize the output according to your preferences, adjusting length, style, and tone. If you're looking to boost your online presence and generate revenue, GoCharlie is a must-have tool. Today, I'll walk you through how to effectively utilize this powerful tool to make a significant impact and achieve financial success online. Step 1 of this money-making method is incredibly simple and straightforward. To begin, head over to GoCharlie.ai. Once on the GoCharlie homepage, click the Sign Up button in the screen's top right corner. This action will lead you to a sign-up page where you must provide basic information including your name, email address, and password. Fill in all the necessary fields, then click on the Sign Up button at the bottom of the page. After completing the sign-up process, you'll be redirected to your dashboard, granting you access to GoCharlie's powerful content creation tool. From here, you can immediately start utilizing the AI-powered tool to generate high-quality articles and blog posts on any online business topic. Just provide a few keywords and GoCharlie will handle the rest. What's remarkable about this is that you don't need to be an expert in content creation to use this tool effectively. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to get started and produce engaging and well-crafted content in no time. Step 2 is about generating an article or blog post with GoCharlie, and the process is incredibly straightforward. Begin by entering a few keywords relevant to the topic you wish to write about and let GoCharlie take it from there. Utilizing its advanced algorithms, GoCharlie analyzes your keywords and presents you with a list of article ideas. Choose the concept that resonates with you the most. GoCharlie will work its magic, automatically generating a well-researched and captivating article or blog post. What sets GoCharlie.ai apart is its user-friendly approach, making writing accessible to everyone. Regardless of your writing experience, you can confidently use GoCharlie.ai, as it harnesses the power of natural language generation technology, ensuring the content produced is both readable and engaging, leaving no worries about writing flawlessly. If you desire to add a personal touch to your article or blog post, GoCharlie makes it a breeze. You have the flexibility to include your own images, links, and formatting, allowing you to customize the content to your liking. You can also edit the text to make it unique and tailored to your style. With GoCharlie.ai, content creation becomes a seamless and enjoyable experience. Step 3. Join the Online Business Academy affiliate program at onlinebusinessacademy.com/affiliate. Currently the hottest affiliate program online with the potential to unlock substantial earnings. If you're new to affiliate marketing, it's a fantastic way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. When a user clicks on your unique affiliate link and completes a purchase, you receive a commission on that sale. The OBA affiliate program presents an incredible opportunity to earn commissions by endorsing the Online Business Academy, tailored for individuals aspiring to launch an online business or elevate their existing ventures. Overflowing with valuable information and resources, this program empowers aspiring entrepreneurs to delve into the business world. Your mission is simple yet lucrative. Introduce this outstanding program to people and support them on their entrepreneurial journey while reaping significant financial rewards. What's even better, you don't need to handle the heavy lifting. Upon joining the OBA affiliate program, you gain access to many marketing materials including banner ads, text links, email templates, expert tips, and advice to effectively promote the Online Business Academy. Everything you require to succeed. The most appealing aspect of the OBA affiliate program is the potential commissions. Depending on the product or service you promote, you can earn an impressive commission of up to 45% on each sale. Rest assured, you don't need to be a marketing guru to make a substantial income with this program. Signing up as an affiliate, utilizing the provided goods, and spreading the word is all it takes to seize this incredible money-making opportunity. Now, if you're enjoying this video and want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Moving on to step 4, we'll explore how to leverage Medium.com to share the articles crafted by GoCharlie. Complete with your affiliate link, maximizing the potential to attract like-minded individuals interested in online business and earning commissions as an Online Business Academy affiliate. Once GoCharlie generates an article, I highly recommend personalizing it by adding your unique touch. GoCharlie makes this seamless, allowing you to include or remove sections, adjust the writing tone, and even share your own anecdotes or experiences with the business. Once you've personalized the article, it's time to share it with the world. For sharing blogs and articles, I've always preferred Medium.com. For those unfamiliar with Medium, it's a popular platform where bloggers and writers can showcase their content to a vast audience, providing an excellent opportunity to publish articles and reach a broader readership. By sharing the articles crafted by GoCharlie on Medium.com, you can capitalize on the platform's popularity to connect with individuals interested in online business. Adding your affiliate link to the article is a breeze. Upon signing for the OBA affiliate program, you receive a unique affiliate link that tracks sales generated from your promotions, ensuring you receive the rightful commission. To include your affiliate link in the article, simply add it within the text or insert it as a hyperlink. This way, interested readers can easily click through the Online Business Academy site, potentially making a purchase and earning you a commission in the process. However, it's crucial to remember that sharing the articles generated by GoCharlie is just the initial step. To truly succeed as an affiliate marketer, you must effectively promote these articles to the right audience. This might involve sharing them on social media, engaging in online communities, or featuring them on your website or blog. By utilizing the time-saving and efficient content creation abilities of GoCharlie, you can focus your efforts on promoting the articles and earning lucrative commissions as an OBA affiliate. If you're eager to kickstart your online money-making journey, this approach is undoubtedly worth a try. Start today and pave your path to financial success. As we reach the end of this comprehensive guide, it's evident that the journey to success in online entrepreneurship holds immense promise and potential. The fusion of GoCharlie's AI-powered content creation prowess and the lucrative Online Business Academy affiliate program opens up endless possibilities for aspiring digital entrepreneurs. Throughout these steps, we've explored the ease and simplicity with which GoCharlie enables you to generate captivating and well-researched articles tailored to any online business niche. Gone are the days of grappling with writer's block or spending countless hours researching and crafting content. GoCharlie's cutting-edge technology empowers you to channel your creativity, effortlessly producing high-quality articles that captivate your readers. Also, the Online Business Academy's affiliate program emerges as a game-changer in pursuing financial freedom. By promoting this invaluable resource to aspiring entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts, you offer them a gateway to success and open the door to your own prosperity. With generous commissions on each sale, the possibilities for generating substantial income are limitless. The beauty of this symbiotic alliance lies in its accessibility. You don't need to be an expert in content creation or marketing. GoCharlie and the Online Business Academy provide the tools, resources, and guidance to thrive in this digital landscape. As you personalize the articles generated by GoCharlie and share them on platforms like Medium, social media, or your own website, you will attract a like-minded audience eager to embark on their entrepreneurial journey. Yet, beyond the practical steps lies a profound opportunity for personal growth. The pursuit of online entrepreneurship is more than just a means to make money. It's a chance to transform your life, discover your passions, and make meaningful impact on the world. As you immerse yourself in this journey, you will gain invaluable knowledge, cultivate resilience, and nurture an entrepreneurial spirit that transcends boundaries. Embrace the spirit of innovation, the thrill of exploration, and the joy of making a positive impact. Let your journey be marked by financial gains, the lives you touch, and the lives you inspire along the way. So here's to your future filled with success, abundance, and fulfillment of your deepest aspirations. Now go forth and conquer, for online entrepreneurship awaits your remarkable contributions. May this journey be one of discovery, growth, and unparalleled achievement. The future is yours to shape, and the time to start is now. Best of luck out there. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.